Okay, so maybe you guys have seen a meme circulating around Instagram and other social media channels, specifically around Halloween or maybe Easter or April Fool's Day, or maybe every single fucking day of 2020 because it sucks so bad. Anyways, this meme is for chocolate-covered Brussels sprouts. Yeah, it's sort of like a trick. Everyone's like, oh, if 2020 was a food, it would be chocolate-covered Brussels sprouts because you're so excited, and then all of a sudden you bite into it and you're like, fuck. Well, girl gone and made herself some chocolate-covered Brussels sprouts because she wanted to try this meme in real life. She wanted to actually try a chocolate-covered fucking Brussels sprout. I don't know why I'm kind of excited to try this. I don't know why. So, if you want the recipe, well, I went to Whole Foods and I bought their roasted Brussels sprouts that have garlic and olive oil and salt and pepper and all that goodness on it. And then I actually melted some of these Choc Zero chocolate chips in the microwave, and then I put the Brussels sprouts all up in there, rolled it all around, and that's what came out here. Now this one's open because I was trying to take a really pretty photo, but then again I was like, how can I make chocolate covered Brussels sprouts look good? Anyways, let's see if I can make it look good here on camera for you. Oh, love the leaf. Try and make eating a Brussels sprout look sexy. Oh! No! Where is my spit bucket? It's going on the counter. Oh my, you like my lipstick? Oh, look at that chocolate lipstick. I literally just put 2020 in my fucking mouth. Don't do this at home, people. Don't do this at home. Choc Zero, I'm sorry I utilized your chocolate chips in this recipe. Just so gross. That being said, Choc Zero by itself, really good. These Brussels sprouts by itself, really good. Together, not a good fucking time, but I think you already got that from my reaction. Maybe I'll have Landon try one. What kind of laugh was that? That was creepy as fuck. Just like this recipe right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. But in the comments below, do let me know if you think I should have Landon try one of these.